what you're gonna need is some school glue. I'm using Elmer's. Activator. I'm using 1 tablespoon of borax to 1 cup of water. Some water. Some glycerin. This is not needed, but it does make your slime a little bit thicker. Instant snow, clay. I'm using Daiso soft clay. Quick tip, guys, try not to get this on Amazon or anywhere else because it's like $7 a piece of clay. And I got this for $1, I think, at the Daiso store. So just buy it in bulk there if you have one near you. Food coloring. This, again, is not necessary, but it is fun to use. A bowl and a mixing utensil. Okay guys, so you're gonna start with your Elmer's school glue. And I don't measure anything almost ever, just because it just makes it longer. And it's pretty easy for me to just measure on my own. Okay, so once you have that, add like 1 or 2 drops of glycerin. I got mine from Target, yeah. Just add like a drop or 2. Okay. So next, you're gonna add some of your food coloring. I think I'm going to use this purple one right here. You can just get this at like Walmart or H-E-B or something like that. So don't add too much or not it's gonna like stain your hands. So that's enough for me. Okay, so then you're just gonna want to mix it up. This is the spoon I'm using. We got this from Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna try to get that to focus. Remember guys, I'm still learning how to use this camera. Okay, so just mix it up. Okay guys, I'm done mixing. So now I'm just gonna add my activator. This is 1 tablespoon of borax to 1 cup of water. And you can use saline solution with baking soda or eye drops of baking soda. And don't add too much or not it's gonna get really hard. You can also do like a teaspoon to 1 cup of water or 2 tablespoons, whatever you like. Just know that if you use a stronger activator, it's gonna activate faster. And if you use a weaker one, it's gonna activate slower and it's gonna become a bit more watery. So just add this in little by little. Okay guys, so right here if you want to, you can go in with your hands, but I'm not going to. I'm going to add a little bit more activator, then I will start mixing with my hands. So guys, I went ahead and added a placemat underneath here because I cannot place slime on this stone. If you didn't realize already, we are outside and because the lighting is very good out here today. So yeah. Okay, so I didn't add any more activator or anything. I just let it sit. Sometimes, especially clear slime, you just want to let it sit. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. I try to mix it with a spoon as much as possible, just because mixing it with my hands is very messy. So here I would just add a little bit more, then I'll mix it a little bit, then I might go in with my hands. Okay. Okay. So here I might start going in with my hands. Okay guys, so just activate it normally. Try not to over-activate it, but maybe leave it a tiny bit sticky if you want to, but you definitely don't have to. Okay guys, so it's basically ready. It's a little bit stickier. It's more on the sticky side, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. So turns out slime is really cold when you're doing it outside. So I'm gonna try to use the spoon as much as possible because I actually had to run inside and pour some hot water in my hands. Like that's how cold it was. So I'm very sorry if it goes out of view, like if it goes down here or something like that. Again, yeah, have not filmed a slime tutorial before or used this camera before, so please bear with us. And I'm saying us because, say hi.
Hi.
This is my sister, she's filming. So yeah, I'm gonna try not to touch the slime. So what you're just gonna do, you're just gonna add your instant snow. I got this on Amazon. I forgot how much it was, but I'm gonna try to link it in the description below. And I forgot to mention, you are going to need 2 bowls, unless you just want to do it on the, like, wherever you're doing it. Oops. Okay. So I'm just gonna move the slime in here, save that for later. Okay, so just what you're gonna be needing, you're gonna be needing your instant snow right here, and it comes with this little scooper. So you're just gonna add, for the amount of slime that we're making, probably about this much, maybe even a little bit more actually, like that much. It's about like a full spoon of it. So then you're gonna add your water. Not a lot, just a little bit. And then just watch it grow. Okay, maybe you're gonna mix it with your hand a little bit. So then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna get your slime. I'm just gonna pour it in here. Just lightly. Okay, so once it's like this, just mix it together. Again, I'm gonna try to use the spoon as much as possible, but I am gonna have to go in with my hands a little bit. So, okay. And I do think it is easier to do this step while the slime is already created, not while you are making it, because I just think it makes it easier, in my opinion, at least. And it might melt the slime depending on how much water you added. But I don't think it's gonna melt mine that much, especially because it's really cold outside. Okay, everybody. So this is it once it's mostly mixed in. You can mix it in a bit more, but a step that you can do, I'm gonna do this step, is just leave it for a few minutes so it all just like soaks in and expands. Okay guys, so you're just gonna add, I let it sit, and now you're just gonna add your clay. I'm using a full block of the Daiso, or Daiso, however you want to say it, soft clay. I got this for like $1 or $2, I can't really remember because it was a while ago, but I got this for $1 or $2 at the Daiso store, and usually on Amazon it's like $7 or $5. So just open it, it's really easy to open. Okay, then just add it in. And guys, it's best if your slime is slightly sticky. And I know it looks really bad right now, but trust me, it's gonna get a lot better. Okay guys, so this is the slime. You can avoid all of that mess by just activating the base slime a little bit more. The reason why I did not is because it is so cold, my hands have gone numb a little bit, so I can barely feel if it's sticky or not. So I asked my sister to help me activate it. And this is the butter snow slime. And you can definitely add a lot more snow. I think I definitely should. So, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the slime I got. The reason why it did not turn out right away is because I'm used to making slightly smaller slimes, so adding less of everything. But this slime is super good. It has that snow texture. I don't know if you can see it. Can you focus the camera, please? Yeah, you can kind of see that texture. That's the snow, and if you add enough, it makes it a really nice. So I think what you should do next time is you should definitely make a cloud slime first. And when we added more snow, we did not add any more water, we just added pure, like the granules of snow. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope you have a great day, and bye!